Hey, so what's up, guys? So first off, let me apologize. I forgot to have you all construct this yesterday in class, but we are going to do it now. This is the foldable for your chapter 14 notes. So you should have in front of you right now a plain blank printer sheet of paper. Okay, so we've always talked about the hamburger and the hot dog fold. So you're going to take the piece of paper, okay? And you're going to hot dog fold it. All right. Go ahead and crease it along the fold. Okay. And then turn it so that the fold is here along the top. Okay. Then you're going to hamburger fold it. All right. So after you hamburger fold it again, go ahead and crease along the fold. Okay. This is the fold here. Go ahead and crease along the fold. Be sure to keep the original hot dog fold at the top. Okay. Now, after you've done that, along the top folded edge, you're going to fold the piece of paper no more than a quarter to a half an inch. All right. So, boom. There you go. Can you see it? All right. There it is. Okay. No more than a quarter to a half an inch. Keep that folded. Make sure you crease it really well. And then go ahead, uncrease that fold. All right, and then open it back up so that it's back to the hot dog fold with the folded edge still along the top. Okay, then behind my desk, or just simply ask the substitute, get a pair of scissors. All right, be careful not to snip this in half. If you cut it in half, it will completely ruin your foldable. Okay, so I'm going to make a cut from the open edge towards the folded edge along my hamburger fold. I'm going to cut it up to that quarter inch to half inch fold that I created. And this is what should happen. Notice it's not split in two. It's still connected together, but I have made the snip. All right. So now essentially what you have in front of you, this is your chapter 14 notes foldable. Okay. Go ahead and fold it in half so that it looks like this. All right. Now, this next part may blow your mind, but don't worry, it's not that difficult. Okay, so you are going to simply write section one, actually, not section one, section two, okay, like I have done. Okay, section two. All right, now notice I'm simply going to flip this up, okay, and my section two notes are actually going to go right here. Okay, do we see that? Okay, so section two, I flip it up, and that's where my section two notes go. Okay, then I'm going to flip it over to the other side, and that is for section three. All right. When I flip up that tab that says section three, guess what, guys? It's not rocket science. I promise you it's not. Boom. That's where my section three notes go. Okay. So then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the same thing for section four. All right. For section four, and also for section five. Okay. Now, if you have difficulties with this, I have already created a foldable that I did in class on yesterday that the substitute has on my desk. Feel free to ask the substitute to pass the example foldable around so that you can see how I constructed it. Do not worry about section 2. All of my other classes did section 2 yesterday in class, but today I'm going to go ahead and have you stay with all of my other classes and just work on section 3. We will play catch up on we will play catch up with section 2 on Friday when I return to class. If you have any questions about this, Robert Harmon, who is my student mentor, he has had my class before. He's made this foldable, and if he has not made this foldable, he can at least help you construct it because he's similar. He's very familiar with the things that I do in my classroom. So, if you have any questions, ask him, or just go back, rewind the video, and watch how I did it step by step. All right, guys, have a great class.